Hello, Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Taurus, pauna mensahe ninyo, release, lighten your load. Ayan, so it's time to let go, no? Of anything, something, or someone that doesn't serve your highest good anymore. You know, nakakapagpabigat na lang ito sa buhay ninyo, nakakapag-take na lang ito ng so much energy and time from you, pero wala naman itong positibong epekto na sa buhay ninyo. Wala naman itong nagagawang mabuti na sa buhay ninyo. So, let it go. Okay? Let it go. Make room sa sarili ninyo for something better to come. Alright? Generosity, so seeds of kindness. Ayan. So, maybe sa ngayon, you're going to help out, no, someone. Maaring meron magre-reach out sa iyo sa ngayon and hihingi ng inyong tulong in different ways, no, o kung ano ang maitutulong ninyo. So definitely you're going to offer some kind deeds, no, para dito sa taong ito. Success, bloom wherever you are planted. Ayan, so napakaganda kasi meron tagumpay na naghihintay sa inyo rito. Taurus, whatever this is, no? This could be anything. This could be in any area of life. Baka, for sure, no? Ito yung pinagtatrabahuan ninyo, no? This is what you are, working on. This is what you are, yung pinagpupursigihan ninyo, pinagsisikapan ninyo, no? So, finally, you are going to, to succeed, no, sa bagay na ito. Mapagtatagumpayan mo na siya. What else we have there? Ayan, take a risk and fly. Okay? Take a risk and fly. Mayroong siguro dito, opportunity around you, no? Mayroong oportunidad na dadating sa inyo that will require you to come out of your comfort zone. So, ngayon, bukas na din kayo, no, para dito. Welcome na din ninyo ito sa buhay ninyo na, sige nga, subukan ko nga ito. Diba? Maaring dati takot kayong gawin yan, ng mga bagay na yan, pero ngayon, you are ready to embrace this massive change para sa buhay ninyo na handa na kayong mag-grow, handa na kayong mag-thrive, mag-expand, no? Kaya susubok na kayo ng mga bagong bagay, no? Kahit hindi ito yung cup of tea ninyo, you are going to embrace this opportunity na, no? Kasi handa na din kayo na mag-grow. So this is really good. What else? We have inspire passion. Life devoid of passion can be a boring, uninspired blank canvas that slowly drains the soul. Now is the time to reignite your passions and rejoin life. This is an opportunity to set new goals, which will in turn reconnect you with all that is sacred. So this is very beautiful, Taurus, kasi ito yung panahon na maaaring magising ka, no, sa pagkakatulog, kumbaga, no, magising yung diwa mo, mas magising yung passion mo, no, at ma-inspire ka, no, sa ngayon na mag-take action towards whatever it is that you want to accomplish, kasi maaring merong mga opportunity din sa ngayon na dadating na yun ang gigising sa iyong passion, no. You will be taking inspired action, no, sa ngayon towards whatever that is na maaring gusto mong ma-achieve, no. So congrats to that and good luck. We have find your center. Maybe ang iba din sa inyo rito, siguro hindi na nakakapag-focus, hindi kayo nakakapag-concentrate, no? Maybe it's because you have too much on your plate, no? Kasi nga meron tayong release card dyan. So, posible, no, na aligaga kayo, fragmented kayo, yung gano'n, no? So, find your center. Sabi rito, your outside world is a reflection and a manifestation of what's going on inside you at this time. Diba? Kaya kung kunyari, magulo yung isip ninyo, magulo yung parang wala kayong peace, no? Makikita yan, no, sa mga actions ninyo, makikita yan sa outside world ninyo, no, na hindi kayo makapag-focus, hindi kayo makapag-concentrate, no? When the outside world becomes so hectic and stressful that your anxiety starts to overwhelm you, then this is an ideal moment to stop and ask, when was the last time I checked in with myself? Okay? So, ito, this is panawagan nito sa inyo. Find your center. Tanungin ninyo ang sarili ninyo. When was the last time na nakapag check-in kayo sa inyong sarili? When was the last time that you have reconnected with your soul? No? Maaari nga ang iba sa inyo dito, Toro, siguro nasasabi ninyo sa sarili ninyo na parang hindi ko nakilala yung sarili ko, no? And I need to find myself. Kasi ganun minsan ganun na nararamdaman natin na lalo-lalo na kung mahabang panahon na lagi tayong pagod, lagi tayong busy, lagi tayong maraming ginagawa, maraming inaasikaso, parang naniniglect na natin ang sarili natin. Naniniglect na natin ang sarili nating pangangailangan, hindi na tayo nakakapag-connect sa sarili natin, sa soul natin, no? Kaya maring ngayon, no, meron sa inyo rito, Taurus, na gano'n ang nararamdaman, no? So it's about time na to find your center, okay? We have breathe, ayan, huminga kayo. Kailangan ninyong mag-take a breather. Kailangan ninyong umatras muna kahit saglit lang, no, sa kung anong pinagkakabisihan ninyo, anong ginagawa ninyo, responsibilidad, obligasyon, trabaho, everything that is causing you stress, everything na nagpapagulo ng isip ninyo, kailangan ninyo na mag-step back muna kayo ng kahit saglit lang. Huminga kayo, no? Hingang malalim. Mag-breathing exercises kayo, mag-meditate kayo. That's what you really need right now. Okay? Para din na kumalma kayo, kumalma yung senses ninyo, yung sarili ninyo. Okay? So, sabi rito, the breath is the vital bridge between your body and soul. It's the connection between the inside and outside, connecting you to the universe, spirit, and the divine source. The breath permeates your entire being with prana, which is the same life-giving force that nourishes everything in the universe. Yeah, so this is what you really need right now para makahinga din ang sarili ninyo, makahinga din ang every cell, no, sa inyong katawan. Be proud. It's time to celebrate all that you've achieved, all that you are, and all that you will become. Every once in a while, it's important to stop and acknowledge what you've achieved and to be proud. Okay? So siguro meron din kayong mga tagumpay rito. Meron tayong success card. Maaaring meron na kayong mga successes na natanggap in the past, recently, and now, there is also another success coming your way. Kaya, be proud of yourself, no? Be proud of who you have become, what you have become, kasi lahat effort mo to, no? Lahat ito, pinagtrabahuan mo ito, kasama ng universe, kasama ng Panginoon, no? So, you need to be proud of yourself, kasi ito na yung bunga ng inyong pagtatyaga, pagsisikap, so it's about time na maging proud ka sa sarili mo, take pride, 'di ba, of your successes, at saka ngayong nagtagumpay ka na, no? Pagkakuha mo dito sa tagumpay pang parating, give yourself time. Give yourself a time to breathe. Okay? Para nang sa gayon maging handa kayo sa panibago na namang mga opportunities na i-embrace ninyo. Para sa mga panibago na namang ventures na gagawin ninyo. Okay? So, good luck. Thank you for watching Love and Light. Namaste.